it's me, Audrey, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these little origami boats. They're pretty cute, aren't they? I like it. I just recently made this. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of paper. It's going to be easier to make a boat, like one of these boats, if the piece of paper is a little bit bigger, but then at the end it'll be a little bit harder. But let me show you. First, you're going to fold it in half and then unfold it. So that there's a crease, see? And a crease right there. And then you're going to take half of this half and put it down the middle. So you can do it like that. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything, but then you take corners, these corners, and put them down just like that, okay? So it kind of looks, you know, like the top of the roof of a house, like that. And then you do it on the other side too. Okay, so then it's going to look like that. And then, see, this is probably going to be the easiest part of the whole bow, okay? Easiest steps. Then you take like half of this, see these? And then just make like a long triangle. This is a little tricky. There. Long triangle. So then it'll kind of look like a little, well, kind of like an arrow, I guess. Then you do the same thing with the other side. And again, those other parts were probably the easiest part that will be of this bow. So this is one of the easiest origami things to do. So okay, you see that? And then you take this part right here and fold it down into here. So it will go like that. See? Okay, like that. And then you'll just take the flap on the inside like this and just fold the whole boat inside out. Okay, so and then you know, put it together like this. And there you have made your origami boat. Goodbye, I'll see you on the next video.